Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Enable VTX or AMDV in BIOS so the VM can run efficiently. Once done, pick a Linux ISO and download a compatible VM app. Next, create a new VM and assign CPU cores, memory, and a virtual disk. This initial allocation determines performance. Make sure to choose disk type and storage controller. You do these steps first because hardware pass-through and disk format are foundational and harder to change later. You boot the VM from the attached ISO and go through the Linux installer, language, time zone, partition layout. Choose guided LVM or custom if you need encryption. Once the OS is installed, add guest tools or additions to enable clipboard, resize, and better graphics. Then configure a non-root user with sudo, install OpenServer for remote access, and enable the firewall with simple rules. These middle steps turn a basic install into a usable, networked virtual machine ready for work. You finish by updating the system, installing essentials, and taking a snapshot so you can revert if needed. Configure networking, NAT for isolated internet, bridge for LAN access, and set up shared folders or drag and drop if supported. Once complete, test SSH and GUI performance. If things break, first verify the VM firmware mode, UEFI versus legacy, confirm the virtual disk is attached and prioritized, and validate the ISO checksum. Those checks fix most boot and install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.